ng, I don't know, distance? Is it prayer life, way of life? Then comes the survey results. No? So if you look at the survey results, what are your low scores that your members are telling every one of us na, okay, muni among low scores. Sa financial giving, mura ni among score. Sorry. 2.79 out of 5. So, it should mean something, no? Like, so ang issue din na to is financial giving. Saan na po pagkabuhi sa atong tilo iligan if we don't have tithes, no? So, how can we support our activities if we don't have money? So, we have to, so, muna punta dito. So, we have to design all our activities. We have to design all our teachings in order for us to mitigate the issue of financial giving. So that is fourth, issues, no? You have to have issues list because in this issues list, this is where you have to discuss, no? Identify your issues, discuss, and solve your issues. So that when we go through our journey, wala na paved na ang way ba? Murag na kay John the Baptist daan bitaw nga gauna. Na pave na ang way ba? Paingon ni Hesukristo. Na sure gyud ta nga makuha gini nato ang atong target. So, ang fifth dayon maigsuon is your process. I know that in every community, it is also a separate corporate entity. So we have to have processes, we have to have policies, we have to have bylaws, we have to have so that our ICN or irreducible common nucleus element of governance would also be effective. Okay. Una-una agud na kung wala kay governance o kung wala kay kanang proseso nga imong gakuan. Take for example, kana lang FOC. Every experience that we have kana bitaw sa CDO, kanang may ingon gali nga okay, maghimo ta og one of the major activities of the community which is the Feast of the Covenant. Unsa may itong himuon? Magkandarapan, ay dayon mag-meeting, 1 week before sa activity, ay pa mag-meeting, di ba? Because we don't have processes to kana bitang standard processes to follow, no? Kana bitang best practices yun siya sa Tilo Butuan mo ni, Tilo Iligan mo ni, Tilo CDO mo ni, and then we will combine all those best practices to come up with the best policy or best process or procedure in order for us to come up with the best activity for our Lord. No? So, kana siya, that is the fifth. And the sixth, of course, is your accountability. Ingon pa sila, di na daw uso karon ng organizational chart. Di na daw na siya importante na ma-senior coordinator ba ka, ma-coordinator ba ka, ma-senior leader ba ka, di. Ang importante is that you know your accountability. So we have to have our accountability charts. In our accountability charts, if you are the senior coordinator, unsa may mo accountability? Kung ikaw ang district servant, unsa may mo accountability? What are your numbers? So, una siya, that is where the rubber meets the road. So, those 6 elements, brothers and sisters, are very, very important in order for us to come up with our plan. So I hope I was understood, no, by this orientation, and then of course after coming up with your activities, no, in the community, you will also have to have your budget for these activities, and then we will collate all those budget. And then tanawon din ninyo yung tithes. Muigo ba niya atong kwarta sa atong tithes, sa atong activities nga atong program so that we can attain our vision by 2029. Kung dili, then what are your programs? What are your action plans in order for you to increase our tithe collection? So, and so on and so forth. So, ako lang, ihatag lang nako ang vision. This is what this is how to get what we want, and this is how we should work, and what should we work, and how should we work, and when should we work. So, any questions?
Bong, sa Tilo CDO, tabo ba nga sa inyo ang planning, sa inyong budgeting, when you come up with your planning and budgeting, nahitabo ba nga na-short mo sa budget against sa inyong activities? Like for example, nagplan mo mga activities and then ang inyong budget wala dili sufficient sa inyong mga activities. Nahitabo ba na sa Kwan, Tilo CDO? Or daghan sobra inyong budget?
If you look into the the report of receipts and disbursement of the community, always deficit yun na permi. So meaning, mas dako yun ang among monthly nga disbursement kaysa among monthly receipts. Permi yun na, pero nakapundo mo na siya for so many years already from the community. So dito lang yapon kakuhaan. So ang among kanang cash on hand sa bangko, gasige gaut-ut ka daw tuig. So gaut-ut karon muna na ni sunod sa tuig kanina lang, sunod na kanina. So gakahurot gyud siya, no? Hoping that it will also bawi when the time comes that the underway members will start to give tithes, no? So always deficit yun na siya, and then the financial report always says we are deficit on a month to month, no? So pero may gina siya ang nindot lang yun kay kana bitaw nakapundo mo gud ang community sa CDO previous years, no, nga naay mga overage, no. Pero again, it is not encouraged, no, to have an overage of your money because sa matod pa sa kanang parable of the talents, no, kinahanglan yun nga itsakto lang yun na. No, dili walay sobra, walay kulang sa kwan sa Ginoo, sa kamutihan sa Ginoo. Dapat imo gid tanang gigasto kay mo man ang gihatag sa imo sa Ginoo. So dapat imo gid tanang nagasto, not for the sake of gasto. Igastuhon lang yun nimo, but it could be that we are having some errors on how to allocate our funds, no? So siguro sa una man gud karon ra mong gud mi na systematic ani nga mga butang, no. So we have to approach this corporately kay I'm sure you also have your finance people there, no. We are non singalan na ni non-profit organization ba ya. So dapat at the end of the year dili yung kaga-profit sa imong tithes, no? The tithe should be allocated for all the activities that the Lord is commanding us to do. So inana gyud unta ang atong principle, no, nga dili gyud unta. So to answer your question, John, permi may deficit.
Pero then na ba situation nga for example na deficit, meaning as is gyapon ng activities or naay i-slash nga activities or naay i-slash other budget?
Walay na-slash nga activity, John, kay as I have mentioned, namo gud may pondo, so masubsidize siya ba. Pero daghan sad kaayo mga tao dinhi sa CDO nga ga-subsidize pud sa kanang mga needs, no. Like every district here also has their own fundings, no. So kana siya gapalit na ay ga-donate og inaani, na ga-donate og inana, no, instead nga magpalit ni og inaani, i-donate na lang. So makompensate lugar, but those are not recorded, no. Those have no data at all. So if you don't know who are your donors or sponsors, then dili ka kabalo whether nag-improve ba ka o dili, no, sa imong mga actions. Kay nagsalig ka man sa imong donation, nagsalig ka man sa miracle, no? Ingon pa ni Bo Sanchez, okay man ang miracle, pero mas maayo gyud to nga kanang pagpalit nato naa gyud tay kwarta, no. kanang okay man na i-free over ang imong sakyanan nga mudagan without gasoline. Pero mas okay gyud tong naatay ipalit sa gasolina.
Pero sa ministry ni Jesus, Jesus always works with miracles.
Yes, of course, the feeding of the 5,000, no? But again, no, a miracle is not something that you mura bitaw og